Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best stove brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner with a pellet stove, ensuring efficient operation and preventing dangerous creosote buildup that can lead to chimney fires. This specialized cleaning brush is designed to navigate the intricate passages of your pellet stovepipe, dislodging soot and ash that accumulate over time, thereby maintaining optimal airflow and maximizing the heat output of your appliance. Investing in a quality brush not only prolongs the life of your stove but also significantly enhances the safety of your home environment, making it a crucial component of regular stove maintenance. Number 5. Rutland 3-inch Pellet Stove Dryer Vent Brush. Introducing the Rutland 3-inch Vent Brush. It's designed to make cleaning your dryer vents and pellet stovepipes simple and effective. Featuring soft bristles, this tool ensures your pipes remain undamaged. It cleans thoroughly without causing scratches or wear. The 10-foot flexible handle easily navigates through pipes, even those with bends and angles. You can reach every part of your vent system. This brush is built to last, with a sturdy 3-inch poly brush securely attached to its long handle. It's a reliable tool for regular maintenance. Keep your pellet stove and dryer operating efficiently by regularly cleaning their vents. This brush is the perfect solution for the job. What we like. This brush offers a gentle yet effective clean for your pellet stove or dryer vents. Its soft bristles ensure no damage to your pipes. If you have delicate vent systems or are concerned about scratching, this is the perfect choice for safe and thorough cleaning. What people say. The brush is stiff enough to scrub the inside of the pipe. It is a good brush for cleaning the stovepipe. Number 4. Brushtech Pellet Stove Cleaning Brush Kit. This brush features a non-kinking spring that easily navigates deep into your vent pipes. Its flexible design allows it to power through tough buildup. Regular cleaning with this tool removes soot and ash, improving airflow in your vent pipes. This helps keep your home safe and your stove running efficiently. Constructed from durable, non-rusting spring, it maintains its shape and strength over time. It's a reliable addition to your home maintenance tools. The easy grip handle provides full control during cleaning. Scrub away buildup from your stovetop vents for optimal stove performance. This kit includes a bonus steel ash brush for tough residue and heavy ash. It offers a comprehensive solution for stove maintenance and improved airflow. What we like. Experience a truly comprehensive clean with this kit, featuring a non-kinking spring brush and an extra ash brush. It's built for tough buildup and long-term use. If you're looking for a robust solution that tackles both vent pipes and ash residue, this kit provides exceptional value and performance. What people say. The brush is effective at cleaning creosote buildup. It's designed to reach deep into the stovepipe for thorough cleaning. The bristles are stiff enough to remove stubborn soot without damaging the pipe. Number 3. Rutland 3-inch Pellet Stove Dryer Vent Brush. Introducing the Rutland 3-inch Vent Brush. It's designed for easy cleaning of your dryer vents and pellet stovepipes. Featuring soft bristles, this tool ensures your pipes remain undamaged and scratch-free during cleaning. The 20-foot flexible handle easily navigates through pipes, even those with bends and angles. Keep your home safe and efficient by maintaining clean vents with this versatile brush. This brush is built to last, providing a reliable solution for your home maintenance needs. What we like. Reach further with this extended cleaning tool, perfect for longer vent runs. The 20-foot flexible handle combined with soft bristles ensures a safe and thorough clean. If your pellet stove or dryer vent system is particularly long, this is the ideal brush to ensure complete access and maintenance. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing creosote buildup from the stovepipe. The flexible handle allows it to navigate bends and turns in the pipe with ease. It's made of durable materials that are built to last. Number 2. Rutland 4-inch Pellet Stove Dryer Vent Brush. Introducing the Rutland 4-inch Vent Brush. It's designed to make cleaning your dryer vents and pellet stovepipes simple and effective. Featuring soft poly bristles, this tool ensures a thorough clean without causing any damage or scratches to your pipes. The 10-foot flexible handle is engineered to navigate bends and angles with ease, reaching even the most difficult spots. This brush is perfect for maintaining both dryer vents and pellet stove pipes, ensuring optimal performance and safety. Its robust construction and flexible design make it a reliable tool for all your vent cleaning needs. What we like. This option provides a wider cleaning path with its 4-inch brush head, ideal for larger diameter pipes. It maintains the gentle cleaning of soft bristles and the flexibility of a 10-foot handle. If you have larger pellet stove pipes or dryer vents, this brush offers efficient cleaning in a single pass. What people say. This brush is very effective at cleaning out the creosote from my pellet stove pipe. The brush is made of durable material and has held up well after multiple uses. It is easy to maneuver the brush through the pipe, even in tight bends. Number 1. Midwest Hearth 4-inch round pellet stove chimney brush. Keep your pellet stove performing optimally with our specialized cleaning brush. Its nylon bristles are designed to safely remove soot from metal stove pipes, flues, and chimneys without causing damage. Constructed with a heavy-duty, single-spiral galvanized steel stem, this brush is built for long-lasting durability. It's designed to withstand tough cleaning jobs season after season. Featuring standard 1/4 to 20 male threads, it easily connects to our flexible poly rod kit for extended reach. This makes cleaning your entire chimney system a breeze. The heavy-duty ball tip is engineered to guide the brush smoothly through vent pipe offsets and bends. This ensures a thorough clean even in challenging areas. Experience quality craftsmanship with this brush, proudly manufactured in the Midwest. It's a testament to American-made durability and reliability for your home heating needs. What we like. Choose this brush for its durable, USA-made quality and safe nylon bristles. The heavy-duty ball tip is specifically designed to navigate bends and offsets with ease. If you prioritize American manufacturing and need a brush that can confidently handle angled vent pipes, this is an excellent, reliable option. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing creosote buildup from the stove pipe. It's designed with a flexible handle that allows it to navigate tight bends in the pipe. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away soot but gentle enough not to scratch the metal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.